Okay, yeah, good evening, and thank you everybody for joining today. And special thanks Mr. Xiao and GTI organizer for this invitation. So my name is Bai from the Nokia Shanghai Bayer. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to share how we see the enterprise market shift and how our customers finding the new business value through the Industry 4.0 digitalization and what is the new operational model for the enterprise point of view. So what we learned over the past 2 years that we've seen imperatives for the Industry 4.0, which had an acceleration in digitalization across the many industries. According to our Nokia Biolabs research, the pandemic has speeded up industry digitalization by 6 years. The Industry 4.0 has taken a massive leap forward. As a company have adopted digital technologies to keep their business moving. We see the strong demand to understand and control the physical assets to gain better business outcomes for the efficiency, the productivity, and safety. So we all experienced the pandemic impact for all the countries. So which requires the enterprise to be predictable, agile enough, and resilient to maintain the business continuity through shift in the market or the environmental conditions. So as an enterprise owner, the sustainability is the most important target. And the Industry 4.0 technology can help to achieve this target. In such situation, the private wireless is one of the solid foundations to enable the use case and improve the productivity and the efficiency. So what kind of private wireless the enterprise needs and how to reduce the technical barriers for the enterprise? Let's take a look from the enterprise point of view. What is their requirement about the private network? As Nokia, we have developed more than 450 private wireless networks for enterprise. And I take our customers' voice as an example that they need the coverage across all assets, almost zero-touch operations and fast launch time to meet their requirement of the continuous operation, efficiency, and safety, and also security. And beyond the connectivity of the normal radio and the call network elements, the enterprise needs extend to the IoT platform, the device ecosystem, the cloud and data center, and also the third-party integration and the periphery technology. So which all requires, to make a private network with the key functions of the zero touch, the end-to-end automation and assurance to make the enterprise efforts as easy as possible. So here are the key principles that has been guiding our development to the enterprise solutions. The target is to create a solution which gives the control to the enterprise to manage their network, but also to protect their data and ensure the stays at their own hands. We aim to make private wireless network as simple as easy to use as possible, quick to deploy and allow the payment along with the usage growth. And most importantly, the network can easily to enable the enterprise legacy application and the future applications in a very short time. So based on our design principle, we have a great solution offered to our enterprise customers. And here I want to introduce a little bit about Nokia connectivity solution, Nokia Digital Automation Cloud, NDAC. NDAC is a high-performance end-to-end private wireless networking and edge computing platform. It allows the enterprise securely and reliably connect their assets through wireless technology. Different than a normal telecom equipment, it simplified the equipment and the process for the enterprise IT department to use. Furthermore, in the future operation and maintenance phase, It requires super simple effort to maintain the network because of the automation functions from the cloud. The key advantages like end-to-end service, the plug and play deployment, the automation, the carrier-grade QIs, and open API capabilities with network as a service business model to reduce the upfront investment. And how our solution can be applied to the whole life cycle of the enterprise service management. We have planning and design, the deploy, integration, and the operation in the whole life cycle. And all of that process are all designed around the automation concept. So think about that from the enterprise point of view. They need a connectivity to enable their application. For example, the AGV. Then you can easily order it online once the equipment delivered. It requires simple installation in 20 minutes only. And we remotely activate the SIM card with one click. And it's easy to manage, easy to scale up. And all data remain locally, securely, and fully controlled by the enterprise themselves, but with the minimal O&M effort for the enterprise IT department. I take an example that, as a traditional telco implementation, it will maybe requires weeks or days to launch the service for the enterprise. But with our new model, it's largely shortened the launch time without a deep telco know-how, just like the enterprise other IT equipment. So once enterprise has their own connectivity, they will need more insight about the network. We also offer the enterprise customer portal and the dashboard for the enterprise IT people to configure and manage. We have the web management portal, quick to handle and easy to operate. And it's visible and controllable, the terminal operation. So those all helps the enterprise management team to have visibility of the whole end-to-end network performance, the device, and also the applications. We all know how important the tool is to support the O&M. As Nokia, we also have a bunch of tools across the whole process to help the enterprise to have insight about their network, terminal, and application, and can manage it to achieve the better productivity and efficiency. So here I also want to highlight a very important point about the application. The reason that the enterprise needs private wireless is they want to integrate their application on the top of the network in order to achieve their business goal. So based on the report that 75% of the enterprise data are processed locally at premise. So at the edge of the enterprise, the edge orchestration, the automated lifecycle management, the end-to-end service performance management are the key factors to enable the application. And Nokia's edge solution, we call it Mission Critical Industry Edge, MIXI, is actually a very powerful edge platform to enable the application at the edge, which can provide the better user experience, the mission critical performance, the security and resilience for the industry OT, and can easily monetize the data at edge. We leverage our applications ecosystem, the ISV, to simplify the industry IoT use case integration and unify the workload on single edge. With the industrial southbound protocols and northbound interface connectors, and tap into all the connections via cloud connection. So with that, the enterprise can easily enable their legacy application and plan their future applications to facilitate their digital transformation. We as Nokia, together with our ecosystem partners, have onboarded quite many applications already. The positioning applications, the video analytics, the drone, the AR, VR, the group communications, the NOC, etc. And we can also offer it as a service to reduce the enterprise upfront investment. And maybe I want to take an example of an application company named Tactile. Tactile is a mixed reality software solution company. One of the application is HoloLens. They used to put their application on the public cloud, but now with our new Mixi, the applications move to the edge, much closer to the end user to reduce the latency, and much better user experience to increase their revenue, and also achieve the data monetization at edge. And so Nokia actually has put our design principle into the execution, which has become proven by many customers globally. We have more than 450 private wireless campus network, 4G or 5G, which covers the industries in manufacturing, the energy, the mining, the logistics, transportations, automotives, etc. We are actually the uncontested #1 globally. So with our faster deployment, automation, pay-as-you-use, fast application onboarding capabilities. And here, at last, I wanted to show you a short video about how easy it is with our NDAC to deploy an enterprise dedicated private network owned by enterprise. So wait a moment, let me show the video.
The Nokia Digital Automation Cloud Platform is a quick and easy way to create your own private wireless network. And we'll show you how to get connected in just 20 minutes. First, you'll receive a kit containing the Nokia DA access point, Nokia DA Edge, and the necessary...
No video. I'm not...
no video. Sure. Also, wait a moment.
Yes, there is no video. I'm not sure what's the problem.
Okay, so wait a moment.
There is only voice.
Yeah, so let me share again. Okay. Yeah, so let me try again.
Cables. You'll also receive Automation Cloud Platform is a quick and easy way to create your own private wireless network. And we'll show you how to get connected in just 20 minutes. First, you'll receive a kit containing the Nokia DA access point, Nokia DA Edge, and the necessary cables. You'll also receive login credentials for the Nokia Digital Automation Cloud dashboard. In the dashboard, under the menu icon, click on the Networks and DA Edges link. Here in the Managing Equipment and Networks page of the dashboard, you can find the DA Edges, DA access points, and the SIMs you have purchased. Once you're in the Networks and DA Edges section, select a network and click Activate to create a private wireless network. A pop-up reminder is displayed so that you can give your network a name. Once you have named your network, click on the Save and OK buttons to complete the activation process. As you can see here, the name of the network and DA Edge have been updated, and the network is now activated. Also, a handy feature to note is that the DA access points are automatically added to the specific network which you have activated. Once the network activation is complete, your next step is to plug the Nokia DA Edge into a power outlet and turn it on. Then plug the Nokia DA access point into the power outlet and turn it on. Now check that DA Edge and DA access points are connected to the internet. In the Networks and DA Edges section of the dashboard, you'll see that the SIMs you purchased are automatically added to an activated network. You can use these SIMs for multiple devices. The devices are now ready for use and can be monitored in the dashboard. The Nokia Digital Automation Cloud Platform also allows you to assign different capacity and quality of service for individual application needs, and these too can be effectively managed in the dashboard. In this simple setup, it took less than 20 minutes to build a secure wireless network and to start and manage a video application through multiple devices. Nokia Digital Automation Cloud, the quick and easy way to create your own secure wireless network. We create the technology to connect the world.
Okay, so yeah, see how easy it is to onboard our private wireless NDAC for enterprise. With that, I hand over to Mr. Xiao. Thank you.